1,000 euros in just 30 days sounds impossible, especially if you're broke, but I tested a simple system and it actually worked. If you're a student or living on low income in Europe, you already know the problem. Rent, food, bills, everything eats your money before you even think about saving. So instead of trying random advice, I followed a clear 3-step plan. Step 1. Cut expenses aggressively. No eating out, no impulse buys. I switched to simple meals, tracked every euro, and saved around 10 to 15 euros per day. Step 2. Increase income, even a little. I did small online tasks, freelancing, and selling things I didn't need. This added around 20 euros to 30 euros per day. Step 3. Track everything. Every euro saved went into a separate account. No touching it, no excuses. After 30 days, here's what happened. About 400 euros came from cutting expenses, and around 600 euros came from extra income. That's 1,000 euros, not overnight, not magic, just discipline and a simple system. Is it easy? No. Is it possible? Yes, if you stay consistent. If you want, I can break this down into a daily plan. Just subscribe and start your first 10 euros today.